friends, today we are going to solve about 10th NCERT Syllabus Mathematics Chapter 1 Real Numbers Exercise 1.3. That first question, prove that root 5 is irrational. We need to prove that root 5 is irrational. How we can prove? We can prove by contractory. Contractory means what? Opposite. Contractory means opposite. In number system, only two types of numbers. Only is rational or irrational. Only two types. If you take one number, that number will come under rational or come under irrational number. So I am take it as it's a root 5 is rational. Let us assume root 5 is rational. If I take it as a wrong, then answer should come also wrong. I will tell you. So what I am taking, let root 5 is rational. Rational means what? A by B form. Well, what is the condition? B is not equal to 0. A and B are coprime number. What is my coprime number? A and B have no common factor other than 1. See here, question what I am taking. Root 5 is A by B. We are going to squaring on both sides. That is root 5 square is equal to A square by B square. Square and square root get cancelled. So 5 is equal to A square by B square. And again, how we can simplify? B into 5 into this B go that side means multiplication. So 5 into B square gives A square. If we can't simplify after this. So 5B square is equal to A square. Keep it as a equation number 1. Next we can do that. This 5 common this side means what? Divide. So B square is equal to A square by by 5. That is 5 divides A square. 5 divides A square. Then what? 5 divides A. If 5 divides A square, 5 divides A. For example, I will tell you, if you take 36, if 36 is a square, A square is equal to 36, then A is what? 6. If 3 divides A square, then 3 divides A, that is 3 we can divide it by 6. In 3 table 6 will come, 3 table 36 also come. So, here also the same. 5 divides A square, 5 divides A. We already, there is a theorem like this. So, let A is equal to 5C. Put in equation number 1. I am going to put A is equal to 5C because, see here, what is equation number 1? Equation number 5B square is equal to A square. Why I am taking A is equal to 5C instead of 5 we can put any number means no. Because we are doing the 5 in question what they said. Root 5. We need to prove that root 5. So that only I am saying taking as a 5C. What is equation number 1? 5B square is equal to A square. That is 5B square is equal to, instead of A, 5C. So 5C square. That is 5B square is equal to 25C square. B square is equal to 25C square. That 5 multiplication 5 coming this side means divided by 5. So 1 5 is 5, 5 5 are 25. B squared is equal to 5C square. This 5 came this side means 5 square divided by multiplication 5 come this side means divided by 5. So here 5 divides B square, then 5 divides B by theorem. Here we have 5 is a common factor of A and B, but this contradictory the fact that A and B are coprime. Hence, our assumption root 5 is rational is wrong. So, hence root 5 is irrational. Hence, proved. Second question, prove that 3 plus root 5 is irrational. In last question we proved root 5 is irrational. In this question we are going to prove that 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Already in before question we proved that root 5 is irrational. What is that contradictory? 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So 3 plus root 5 is equal to A by B. B is not equal to 0. A and B are coprime numbers. What is that? 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to A by B plus 3 go this side means minus 3. So 2 root 5 is equal to A minus LCM. A minus 3B divided by B. So root 5 is equal to A minus 3B by this 2 this came this side means divided by 2B. So root 5 is equal to A minus 3B by 2B. Since A and B are integers, so A minus 3B is an integer and 2B is an integer. So A minus 3B by 2b is rational number. So a minus 3b by 2b is equal to root 5, that is root 5 is rational. This contradiction the fact root 5 is irrational, hence our assumption is wrong. Next, third question, prove that the following irrational, that is 1 by 2. First, how we need to prove? First, prove that root 2 is irrational. We need to prove that root 2 is irrational. Let us assume root 2 is rational by contact tree. So, root 2 is equal to a by b. A and b are co-prime numbers. B is not equal to 0. Squaring on both sides, that is root 2 square whole square is equal to a square by b square. So square and square root gets cancelled. 2 is equal to a square by b square. So 2b is equal to a square. Keep as equation number 1. B square is equal to a by 2. 2 divides a square. 2 divides a. Next, let a is equal to 2c. Substitute in equation number 1. We get 2b is equal to 2c whole square. 2b is equal to 4c whole square. B square is equal to 4c square by 2. B square is equal to 2c square. So c square is equal to b square by 2. Next what? 2 divides b square. 2 divides b. 2 is a common factor of a and b. This contradicts a and b are co-prime. Hence our assumption is wrong. So root 2 is irrational. Now let us assume 1 by root 2 is rational. So 1 by root 2 by is a by b. We need to do by cross multiplication. B is not equal to 0. A and b are co-prime numbers because a and b are in irrational numbers. So 2a is equal to b. 2a is equal to b by a. Though b by a is rational. So root 2 is equal to rational. Our assumption is wrong. Hence, 1 by root 2 is irrational. Hence, proved. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye friends.